In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose between Cursor and Windsurf as your AI code editor in 2025. So to get started, Cursor acts like a full AI-powered assistant inside VS Code. It excels at explaining, refactoring, and debugging code with deep conversational context. Cursor is best suited for solo developers or small teams needing AI to accelerate daily coding tasks while staying fully embedded inside existing workflows. Windsurf is designed for larger products where full code based understanding is crucial. It doesn't just look at single files, it reasons across your entire repo, offering advanced refactoring, dependency management, and even architectural recommendations. Windsurf shines for teams maintaining large scale systems who want AI to act almost like a technical architect. If your daily need is strong code generation, explanation, and pair programming style chat, Cursor gives you instant productivity. If you're managing hundreds of files, multiple services, and complex architecture, Windsurf becomes a game changer. And that's how you choose between Cursor and Windsurf as AI code editors in 2025.